Good morning, friends. Happy Tuesday. I am up early this morning. It is March 25th. I am getting Layla's breakfast ready. She has her grooming appointment this morning, so you already know the deal. So she knows something's up, and I'm surprised she hasn't started crying yet. Here you go, baby. But guys, I hope you're doing well. It's just another work week. Honey, I have a story for y'all. Girl, over the weekend, you will not believe what happened here. I should have kept the bag for evidence, but oh goodness, y'all. My husband and I just grabbed, when was this? We grabbed some dinner. And really, I wanted some junk. It was a junk night. So I wanted crystals, right? Crystals. Hold on one second. This was Friday night, as a matter of fact. And I think I was just like, I'm not really hungry, but I do have, y'all, every now and then I have a craving for some crystal. Okay, I love a crystal. So anyway, we grab it to go. We've had a long work week. So anyway, long story short, I get home. My husband has his gyro, I believe. He loves gyro. And I needed to warm up my food. Now normally I would just place like the crystal in the boxes on a plate or whatever and put it in the microwave, right? And my fries too, because I like my food piping hot. My husband's like, I don't even see how you could eat food that hot. But anyway, y'all, in a rush, because we're trying to watch our shows and stuff, I don't know why I did it, but I put the entire crystals bag in the microwave. Honey, I turn around. I put it on for like 20 seconds. 25 seconds. I can't remember. Girl, I turn around and look at the microwave. I see a fire in the microwave. I panicked like no other. My husband's upstairs. He's already got his food. He don't need to warm it. So I'm on my way upstairs so we could, to the bonus room so we could eat our dinner and just chill and watch some Netflix or something, right? Honey, I panicked, saw that fire. I opened the microwave and I'm over here like blowing and stuff. I just panicked. But it was burning the bag. So I screamed for my husband. He came downstairs like he thought somebody was in the house or somebody's trying to get in or Layla was hurt or something. Y'all, he came down and he acted so fast. I mean, his reaction was phenomenal. I was just like, oh my God, I'm about to burn this house down. But we were able to get it out, guys. But honey, when I looked in there, I'm like, what caused that? But when I think back, I'm like, I never asked for ketchup because I have ketchup here. Honey, those little packets were in that bag and we assumed that is what ignited that fire, guys. I just thank God that it was not bad. It didn't destroy our microwave. I can show you some. Y'all, that is the scariest thing ever. I've never had this happen, never. And I'm telling you, I am so happy and so blessed that I was downstairs and didn't go to another room. I'm a multitasker. Thank God I did not leave here. And I happened to be right here at the sink, exactly where I am now talking to you guys. And I turn around and I see those flames. I'm like, what in the world? Whew, but everything's fine, guys. We had to get that smell out, put on an incense, because I was like, I hate that smell because it sticks to the walls and stuff. Thank goodness we're gonna really move forward with getting this whole house repainted. But anyway, I digress. It was in the walls, the smell. Guys, that was so scary. We were just so tired and decided on takeout instead of going out. All of that, we were drained. We said we're gonna eat, watch some TV, probably fall asleep early. Honey, that fire, that woke us up like no other, okay? So that has been our weekend. Today is Tuesday now, so I'm still thinking about that. If it was just me and Layla here, I probably would have panicked, y'all. I don't know. But the detectors didn't go off, anything. We changed the batteries as we should, but nothing went off. Everything is good. So I don't think, well, you could see a little bit right there. I take that back. My husband did say that. But he got it out. I thought it was damaged, to be honest. So he did pretty good with cleaning this up. But oh my gosh, guys, it was scary. Layla girl, she just, hey honey, say hi. Say hi to our friends. Say hi. Honey, let's go. Layla had to make a pit stop first before we get in the car. So I'll catch up with you guys in a few. It is a gorgeous morning. Come on, Layla, you ready to go, baby? Let's go. Layla, it's okay. Come here, girl. Come over here. Layla. Come on, let's go this way. There you go. Let's go. Come on, let's go see Mia. Let's go see Mia. Come on. Nuh-uh. Not in the car yet. Come on, let's go. This way. Hello, how are you? Okay, thank you. I'm Layla. So I am back from taking Layla girl to to her grooming appointment, and I'm about to jump on this call in 5 minutes. It is gorgeous here today. I kind of want to take a walk after this call maybe, but I think I'll wait until Layla is ready and then we'll go outside and maybe walk or wait for my husband later on. I'm hoping to get a call. Usually when I drop Layla off first thing in the morning, she's sometimes ready like within 3 hours or so. So I'm hoping she'll be ready today by around lunchtime so I can run to the store. We're out of eggs and a few other items. Y'all, side note, I cannot believe my twist out still looks this good. It has been over a week, guys, and this could be because I'm not really in the gym as much. Yeah, I am impressed, honey. I'm looking at this camera right here, y'all, and I love this. Twist outs are the way to go. Do you hear me? I'm working on editing a video of my twist out routine, my current twist out routine. So I will share that with you ladies that are interested. But today, again, it's Tuesday. Today's just your typical work day, not too much going on. I have my 10:30 weekly call. This is our staffing review call. So I'll get on this. Hopefully it won't be too long today, but we'll just look at some of our launch sites on the East and the West Coast today. So we'll just see what the vacancy rates are and the head count, that kind of thing. So we know how to move forward with staffing. Standard call, make sure all of our ducks are in a row and the head count is aligned across the board. So anyway, I'm going to jump on this call, guys, and then I'm going to wait for Layla, and we may just play a little bit in the backyard. And I may work actually today in the backyard on the patio. It is just gorgeous. We have chosen the color we've narrowed it down, the color that we want for our house, because that color, it's gotta go. So.
Grace period for those ends on 4/29, so just a call out, like those are definitely a priority that don't have anyone in interview or offered. Dropped a little bit there, so March today we're at 83.8. Have one more doing okay. Okay, so I think first on my list is DML 6.
So we're back home and Layla goes to her happy space. This is the ottoman upstairs and we always cover it with one of her blankets. She is pooped. Every time she comes back from her grooming, she is pooped. It's so cute. Oh, Mia does such a great job on her hair, her cuts. We love her. If she left, we don't know what we would do. We do have a backup and they're pretty good too, but for the price and how good she is, I don't think we'll find anyone like her. but Layla really loves Mia. Did you enjoy Mia? Did you enjoy Mia? Yes, yes you did. Yes you did. Layla do come down here to the kitchen by herself and just waiting for some food. Now it's not even time for her to eat. She ate breakfast a little earlier this morning, but I guess she worked up an appetite while being groomed. Oh goodness, what are we gonna do with her? Say bye.